Fraser, Bahamas, Utterbridge, Bermuda, Stewart, Trinidad and Tobago, Wade, Jamaica, George, Grenada, Jackson, BVI, and Dunn, Guyana.
Off they go, second time of asking. George got a good start and begins to fly. Wade trying to get back. Utterbridge on the inside is there. It's Utterbridge of Bermuda, Nyron Wade. Utterbridge wins it. 10-1-8 in the flash time. We saw it in the semi-finals, Terry, and he delivers in the final again. That 10-2-9 was no fluke.
Well, we said that boost of confidence that he got in the semi-finals is a short turnaround. You feel good, you come, you produce a lifetime's best. Montverde Academy, Bermuda, national record, resets the national junior record for Bermuda. It looks as though he may have gone a little bit faster. We await confirmation. He is looking at the clock, 10.21. He has gone faster. He has set a new Bermuda national junior record twice in one day. That young man, Miles Utterbridge.
Well, he certainly belongs, ladies and gentlemen. Miles Utterbridge of Bermuda. Getting the spotlight, getting the limelight, getting the starlight.
And that's what the Carifta Games are all about. Discovering new stars. For some, it's a coronation, a confirmation of the talent that we know they have, but there are also the discoveries coming along. Athletes that we may never have heard of otherwise. Miles Utterbridge, 10